Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo Man sitting out here in Aggie right now. I did some work to the truck this evening. I put in a new heater switch so that the heater will work again, and I put a radio installation kit in it to hold the radio in place in the dash. But the one thing that I want to go over tonight is how to set the clock on a Bullnose Ford. I actually had to find the owner's manual to figure this out. Here's the owner's manual that I used. Right here on page 19, we can see how to set the time. And over here to page 20, and it tells you how to go ahead and set the date and the elapsed time, how to figure that out. So if you're lucky enough and the dash clock on your Bullnose still works, when you start it, this is what you should find. The date is 12/13, and the time is now 9:38 p.m. So obviously I just went through and set this clock. Elapsed time, you can see how long ago I had set it. It was 13:27:26, so 13 minutes ago. So to reset elapsed time, and I probably can't do this single-handed, you have to push the elapsed time button and both of these small set buttons over here. But the set buttons are real. Oh, there, it actually did it. So it reset the elapsed time. Now it's 5 seconds, 6 seconds. So yep, that's how you reset elapsed time. Push the elapsed time and both buttons at the same time. And again, like I said, there it goes again. Got it. So to set the date, you would hold the date in and push the A button, which is this little small button here. The first button here on date will set the month. The second button will set the day. And then once you go over here to time, 9:36, same thing. You would hold the time down. A sets your hour, and B sets your minutes. So it's pretty simple. Buttons on these things get real sticky over time, and these ones here, as you can see, it can be quite the challenge to get them to work. So, but if you ever wondered how to set the clock on your Bullnose Ford, that's how it's done. It's not too hard, and hopefully yours still works. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon.